In this video, I will show you how to change your email on OnlyFans. So if you want to change your email address on your OnlyFans account, then please watch this video until the end. So first of all, we're going to open the OnlyFans app, or we can go do this on the browser. Just make sure that you are logged into the right account. And then from here, we are going to click on the profile tab all the way at the bottom right. From here, we're going to click on settings. And from settings, we're going to click on account. And right now at the top under account info, you will see email, and your email will be visible in here. And if you want to change your email, you're just going to click on this. In this section, you will see your email all the way at the top. So our email is visible in here. And if you want to update your email address, you just need to click on update email address. So I'm going to click on that button right now. And once you do that, you will see that in order to change your email, you need to have access to your current email. And in case you do not have longer access to your current email, then you need to contact support. So I have access, so I'm going to click on next. And changing your email address on OnlyFans will actually consist of 3 steps. So in this first step, you need to enter the verification code that has been sent to your account. So go ahead and enter that verification code in here and then click on next. Once you have clicked on next, you will be able to add a new email address in there. And then you also need to verify that email address with a new verification code. After that, you need to click on confirm, and then you have changed your email address on OnlyFans. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.